Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the Jlpt test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 Jlpt questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are today's kanji. Today's theme is money. The meaning is 10,000. On is man, ban. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is ichi, 1. The meaning is 100 millions. On is oku. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is I. The meaning is trillion and indications. On is cho. Kun is kizasu, kizashi, meaning indications or sign. Radical is hitoashi. Words and expression. The first one, 10,000 yen. 1,000,000 yen satsu. Satsu means bills. 1,000,000 yen satsu. Example, 1,000,000 円札が一番大きいお金です。10,000 yen bills. 1,000,000 円札が the biggest 一番大きい bills お金です。1,000,000 円札が一番大きいお金です。100 million yen 1億円1億円 If it's 200 2億円300 3億円 Example 1億円は約92万9300ドルです。100 million yen is 1億円は about 約929,300 92万9300ドルです。1億円は約92万9300ドルです。1 trillion yen 1兆円1兆円 If it's 2 2兆円3 3兆円 and so on. Example 1兆円は約92億9300万ドルです。1 trillion yen is 1兆円は about 約9 billion 293 million dollar 92億9300万ドルです。1兆円は約92億9300万ドルです。Billionaire 億万長者億万長者 Expression 株で儲けて億万長者になった Made money from stocks 株で儲けて became a billionaire 億万長者になった株で儲けて億万長者になった。Next, shoplifting 万引き万引き Example 万引きは犯罪です。Shoplifting is 万引きは a crime 犯罪です。万引きは犯罪です。The signs, symptoms. This is the indication of something's about to happen. The sign that something's about to happen. 兆し、兆し。Example. 景気回復の兆しが見えた。景気、economy, began to show, 見えた。sign, 兆しが of recovery 回復の景気回復の兆しが見えた。Useful expression just in case 万が一万が一 They are talking about the plan for tomorrow. They're going out tomorrow for a picnic or something. A says, 明日の天気は晴れだよ。Tomorrow's weather is sunny. And B said, でも、万が一に備えて傘を持っていこう。But, でも、bring an umbrella. 傘を持っていこう。Just in case. 万が一に備えて。A、明日の天気は晴れだよ。B、でも万が一に備えて傘を持っていこう。Step 3 flashcards Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. 10,000 1万100 million 1億 trillion 1兆 billionaire 億万長者 shoplifting 万引き symptoms sign indication 兆し just in case 万が一Jlpt quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。